Are you a pet owner tired of battling pet hair and allergens? Do you crave a vacuum that seamlessly transitions between carpets and hard floors without needing constant adjustments? If so, the Bissell Surface Sense Allergen Lift-Off Pet Upright Vacuum might be your new best friend. This review dives deep into the features, performance, and potential drawbacks of this innovative machine, helping you decide if it's the perfect fit for your cleaning needs. Designed for busy homes with pets, the Bissell Surface Sense boasts several features specifically tailored to pet owners. The tangle-free, multi-surface brush roll utilizes a combination of stiff and soft bristles. The stiffer bristles effectively tackle pet hair and ground in dirt on carpets, while the softer bristles gently pick up dust and debris from hard floors without scratching delicate surfaces. This eliminates the need to swap brush rolls for different floor types, saving you time and frustration. Another pet parent perk is the lift-off technology. This clever design allows you to detach the canister section from the main body, transforming the upright vacuum into a convenient handheld unit. This makes cleaning upholstery, furniture, and hard-to-reach areas like stairs a breeze. No more lugging around a heavy vacuum cleaner, simply detach the canister and tackle those pesky pet hair tumbleweeds wherever they may hide. Conquering dust and allergens. For allergy sufferers, the Bissell Surface Sense offers a sigh of relief. The sealed HEPA allergen system captures and traps dust particles and allergens inside the vacuum, preventing them from recirculating back into the air you breathe. This can significantly improve indoor air quality, especially beneficial for those with allergies or respiratory sensitivities. Convenience features you'll love. On top of its pet-friendly and allergy-reducing qualities, the Bissell Surface Sense boasts several user-friendly features that enhance the cleaning experience. Surface Sense technology automatically adjusts the cleaning settings as you transition between carpets and hard floors. This eliminates the need to manually adjust suction power, ensuring optimal cleaning performance on any surface. LED headlights illuminate dirt and pet hair hiding in dark corners and under furniture. This ensures you don't miss a single speck of dust, leaving your home truly spotless. Additionally, the detachable canister makes emptying the vacuum a mess-free breeze. Things to consider. While the Bissell Surface Sense offers a compelling package for pet owners and allergy sufferers, there are a few things to keep in mind before purchasing. Maneuverability. Some users report that the upright vacuum can feel a bit bulky and heavy, especially when compared to more lightweight models. This might be a consideration for those with limited mobility or smaller living spaces. Noise level. While not the loudest vacuum on the market, the Bissell Surface Sense isn't whisper quiet either. If noise sensitivity is a concern, it's worth researching decibel levels before purchasing. Upholstery tool. The Bissell Surface Sense doesn't come with a dedicated upholstery tool. While the handheld unit with the crevice tool can tackle some upholstery cleaning, those with a significant amount of pet hair on furniture might prefer a model with a specifically designed upholstery attachment. Overall impression. Despite these minor considerations, the Bissell Surface Sense Allergen Lift-Off Pet Upright Vacuum offers a powerful combination of features that make it a compelling choice for pet owners and allergy sufferers. The automatic floor-type adjustment, tangle-free brush roll, and detachable canister promote effortless cleaning across various surfaces. The HEPA allergen system provides peace of mind for those with allergies, while the LED headlights and user-friendly features enhance the overall cleaning experience. So, is the Bissell Surface Sense the right vacuum for you? If you have pets, suffer from allergies, and value a versatile and convenient vacuum cleaner, then this model is worth considering. However, if maneuverability is a top priority or noise level is a major concern, you might want to explore some lighter or quieter options. Ultimately, the Bissell Surface Sense Allergen Lift-Off Pet Upright Vacuum offers a powerful cleaning solution for busy homes with pets, leaving your floors and surfaces spotless and your allergies at bay. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.